lick 6 is basically the turnaround. So we do a legato over the C7, the D7, and then we do sort of like a minor pentatonic lick over the E7. Okay, so here I'll show you. So we just came out of A minor where we did. Now we go to twice the E8, pull off from E12 to E8. Go to B10. Next legato lick goes over the D7. Index finger at the 12th. And we're pulling off from 15 to the 12th. And then 13 in middle finger. Here comes that minor pentatonic lick. So it's two bands on 14th G, release, pull off to G12, and then we go to D14, back to G12, back to G14, back to G12, and then conclude back on D14 with a vibrato. And that concludes this whole solo. Thank you so much for watching again. I hope you had fun with this. And if you like it, please leave me a comment and subscribe. Take care. See you next time.